Hey friends, welcome back to Bulabing Travels. This time, I'll take you back to Russia. Aboard a Radisson Royal Flotilla yacht departing from the Gorky Park Pier, enjoy the freshly prepared food and enjoy the enchanting panoramic views of the river of Moscow. The cruise is a guaranteed modern and comfortable ambience, and the yacht is equipped with a state-of-the-art air conditioning system, allowing the passengers to remain comfortable throughout the cruise. Among the sights you can see on the cruise, you will find Moscow Kremlin, St. Basil's Cathedral, Cathedral of the Christ Savior, Peter the Great statue, and finally, Moscow City skyscraper representing a new modern face of the Russian capital. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe Bulabing Travels. Thank you.